What's up guys, I hope all of you are absolutely fine. So in this video I am going to unbox Realme C12. If you like this video, watch the video until last and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, here is the Realme C12 box. So let's unbox it. So if you see in the back, you will get the details of this Realme C12. I have the 3GB 32GB variant in my hand. After opening the box, we will get some documentation. Here is the ejector pin by which you can eject your SIM. Here are some documentations. If you want to read, you can read it, but I think no one read this type of documentations, so make it aside. Now we get the main smartphone. So let's open the packet. So this is our main smartphone. So let's see the box content. So here is the adapter. The adapter rating is 5V 2A, which is 10W, and this is the USB cable, not a Type-C cable, normal USB cable. I think it would have better if there is a Type-C cable. So now let's go to the overview. In right you will get the power button and volume rocker unlock button. In case of front, you will get the front camera. At the bottom you will get the 3.5mm jack, USB port and microphone. At left hand side you will get the SIM tray ejector tool. At the back you will get the triple camera and the fingerprint sensor. The back is really rough, so if we open the SIM tray, we will get the triple card slot where you can insert 2 SIM and 1 memory card. Now let's reboot the phone and set up it. I will be right back after rebooting the phone. By the way, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Now if we come to the specs, the phone runs with 12nm 2.3 GHz Helio G35 octa-core gaming processor. In case of storage and RAM, you will get 3GB LPDDR 4X RAM and 32GB internal storage, where the display is 16.5cm mini drop full screen HD plus display. Now comes the camera portion. In back you will get 3 camera setup, where the primary camera is 13 megapixels f2.2 aperture and the secondary cameras are 2 megapixels f2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel macro lens f2.4 aperture. In case of selfie camera, you will get 5 megapixels f2.4 aperture selfie camera. The charging and battery capacity of this Realme C12 is 6000 mAh mega battery with 10 inbox charger. There are 2 types of color variant. One is power blue and another one is power silver. The price of this smartphone is 8999. I hope this video might be helpful to you. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.